Let's get a grip on cold weather construction. Snow, ice, wind, and cold temperatures. Don't check your to-do list before showing up. They wreak havoc on your job, your progress, and your bottom line. Take control with Powerblanket concrete curing blankets. Cure concrete faster than the competition and with concrete strength that will last. Easily moved from job to job, this equipment will perform through it all. You take pride in what you do. Powerblanket takes pride in making your job easier and more efficient. It's time for total temperature control with Powerblanket.